Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I went to crumbl this week, so I got two of the new cookies. Uh, the first one I got is I guess it's the patriotic and cookie. I think it's what it's called. Red, white, and blue M&Ms. Not bad. That's the inside. Yeah, it's just a basic cookie with M&Ms in it. The cookie itself is pretty good. It's got a nice buttery flavor to it. Yeah, I'm gonna get to the brownie real quick. That was gonna be a mess, and when I looked at it, it was already kind of getting a little moldy. Here's the s'mores brownie. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is pretty good. It's already falling. Oop. Yeah, there it went. There it went. But that was pretty good. That's actually pretty good. It does kind of have, it does have that the s'mores aesthetic to it. The taste is there too. Not as strong. Like, it doesn't have that strong chocolate taste, but the marshmallow and the graham cracker and all that come through a little more than the chocolate. But the chocolate flavor is still there. It's just very kind of light. But yeah, it's pretty good, and it does still have that s'mores taste. And it's also a little messy. But yeah, these both were pretty good. These were pretty good. I'm not gonna rank them because they're both, to me, equal. They both have their strength and their weakness. But yeah, if you've tried these, let me know if you've tried these two or which other ones you tried for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys later. Oh, one more thing. 4th of July. If y'all celebrating, be safe, and have fun with fireworks and all. But yeah, let me know what y'all gonna do for 4th of July. What you got plans? If you're gonna do fireworks, just cookout or whatever, And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.